Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to IMICRO. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about these mechanical keyboards. They're not actually mechanical. I'm going to be talking about these and, telling you all whether I recommend them or not. It's a membrane keyboard. So, yep, just as basic as anything else. But the cool thing about these is that you can actually take off the keys, or the keycaps, and you can replace them with something different. So, literally every single key is the exact same, so if I pop something like this key off right here, you guys can actually see exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna go and turn off my light. And so yeah, they're literally just basic switches here. Nothing special about them or anything like that. But yeah, so this is the little sound demo of these keys. Let's go ahead and hear it. So, do I recommend these keyboards? I mean, I do because they're relatively affordable. In fact, they're cheap because they're non-branded. And the best part about them is that they actually run off of USB. So, it's not PS2 or USB-C or anything like that. Yeah, so I got this keyboard free with a computer deal. That's how cheap they are. I'm sure you can find one on Amazon for like $10. The brand is IMICRO. I'll see if I can find a keyboard that's like identical to this, and I'll show it to you guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.